ikaw, Ellie, I don't know, like what made it, journalist, what made you feel ready to talk about things?
Same lang. I think it was the right time. I mean, I'm 50, turning 55, and when you reach that age, you kind of think of the legacy and kind of trying to right the wrongs that you did. I know that's impossible, and you have lots of regrets, but you can do, of course, you can do a documentary, right the wrongs, and I think one of the wrongs was not claiming my identity early on and not expressing myself. And also, I think dahil I needed to be, there's something to be I think happy about at that time. Like I was so down because again the first time I tried to put myself out there to exert some sort of
Influence.
influence. Yeah, I mean, I don't necessarily want people to uh, see things my way in terms of politics, but I did want uh, a win for democracy, for I guess what's right in my own opinion, and losing that way was very hard for me, and I think holding a show and having some sort of at least that kind of triumph in terms of my own personal art, it was something that I really wanted. That's why the show happened, and that's why I was willing to open up about the past.